Had to get some gas in the gas tank. And it's been a little while since I rode it. Had a short setback of the healing from my surgery. Back on track though. Yeah. Scooby-Doo. So this is a new test. This is the, what do they call it? The S10R boom microphone or gooseneck microphone. It has the flexible neck and used in the Sena 10C and Sena 10R communicator. So I got it rewired with a 3.5mm TRS plug so I can plug it directly into the MediaMod off the GoPro 12 Black, which is what I'm recording with now. But I am getting very low on gas, so I gotta go pretty much straight away to the gas station. There's thankfully a few of them around here. And I go to the Fred Meyer one. Usually at a fairly decent price compared to the other places. Okay. Close that down. And this is my first ride with the motorcycle jersey for dirt riding applications. Over top of my new AlpineStars with the Bionic Action V2 armored jacket. And my new AlpineStars SMX1 gloves. So far everything's working really good. It's all comfortable. Fits my size pretty good. I'm 5'11", 160 pounds. 36-inch waist, 42-inch chest. And the large armored jacket fits perfect, and the jersey over top of it's a Fast House jersey, and it just fits. So anyways, everything fits perfect. If I'd have gotten the large shirt instead of the extra large shirt or jersey, it wouldn't have fit, but the extra large just makes it. And it's a nice day, 86 degrees outside. July 2nd, I think. The 1st, July 1st. June 31st. One of them days. Monday. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. I've had a whole bunch of nice days, but just kind of taking it easy for my surgery after the minor setback, so make sure I don't overdo it and end up back in the hospital or something. So still got a couple other things I got to do to the bike here anyways before I take it up on the dirt roads. So I'll be doing those as I heal up for the next couple of weeks. Oh, that's why my left brake all of a sudden actually works. I adjusted it last week. This is the first time I've had it out on the road, so I gotta remember I adjusted it up, I think, a little bit too high. One notch down should be better. That thing was totally at the wrong angle, and it was almost hyperextending my foot and ankle area just to get the rear brake any kind of stopping power. But I loosened the clamp part of it there and took it off the gear, the spindle. And I think I only moved it maybe 2 notches, but I think I need to back it down 1 more the other direction. This is a little too intrusive. I'm used to doing a lot of trail braking, so I gotta make sure this thing is not going to overreact. Oh yeah, so let's have to see how this does. Got the mic, I think, appropriately positioned in the chin bar. It is a modular helmet, so it's going to be a little bit noisier than a non-modular, you know. But we'll see if the unidirectional nature of the Sena boom mic makes a difference on isolating the words that are coming out of my mouth. And I'm sure having the visor down helps also. Well, we'll find out. I mean, it may make it too boomy, too resonant. So I've got occasionally a deep voice. So get down close to where the wind noise is. So sometimes it's kind of hard to pick out in the audio. So come on, come on. How am I doing? Make sure. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take this off. I'm going to be here a moment. So, okay. Should be out of here. Man. So we're going to see how this does. This was just a short trip to get some gas. Oops. For me to realize my foot brake lever is out of whack. and we'll be able to test the microphone in various situations. Visor up, visor down. Yeah, it says I got 231 miles of range. So, I don't know how much gas I actually put in there. The glare was kind of hard to see. It was a little bit over 4 gallons. Nice and warm, 90 degrees Fahrenheit. That's like 33, about 30 degrees centigrade, Celsius, 30 C. And a cool gust of wind. A Keanu. Yeah, kind of shocked at how much I trail brake. It's an excellent way of fine control on your motorcycle. Is that rear brake on the foot pedal there is it's way out of adjustment right now. And I can imagine standing and riding it's going to be way too tall as well. So I got to definitely lower it a little bit. And this is with the sun-tinted inner visor down. Sun-tinted. No, the tinted sun visor. The interior drop-down visor is built into the helmet. I'm not sure if it's going to cause echo effect, attenuation, or increase the volume inside the mouth area. Oh man, I'm going to raise that up, that's for sure. This is now with the outside visor raised. Get some fresh air in. It is still, it's 86. It's a little cooler on this end of town just by rising up a little bit on the elevation. Yeah, I can feel the cool air. Part of it's because of the shadows of these trees. Feels good. Oh yeah. Well, I'm not sure if anybody's going to hear this part of my speakifications, but I'm going to try to talk a little bit here while I'm doing 35 miles an hour. Visor's open, wind's rushing into the helmet. The only vent I have open is the vent that goes directly up onto the inside of the visor, or it's on windscreen, whatever you want to call it. I don't have the larger vent open. Just trying to cut down on the amount of wind noise coming in right there near the microphone. Don't hit me, brother. Okay. All right. Oh man. It's I was going to stop for beverages. But it's a little warm for my taste right now. Like I said, I'm still pushing it in my recovery. That's why you're hearing me kind of pant and puff here. Kind of just overdid it, but it should be okay. All right, let me get this. There it is. All right, well, this is mostly just a test of the emergency boom mic system. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have been instructed as to where to tune in for your latest boom mic information. This is a test. No, but it was. So we shall see. I'll know in a few minutes, but you guys are going to have to wait. And if it's crap, then you'll never know. And if it's good, then you'll know. Because I'll upload it, and see what's happening. What's the buzz? Tell me what's happening. Okay. So, if you stuck around, thanks for sticking around. As I get this microphone situation worked out. All right, later.